can't wait for them permits to come in.
Oh, me neither. We'll have a physical address then.
As soon as Memo gets done with that drawing, we could submit them. Oh, hey, YouTube. Well, we've been doing a lot of work on the homestead here, working on getting our permits, and as you can see, we are on our container shop pad. Right now, what we're going to do is we're getting set up to do our second attempt at the Love for Love video that we got tagged in by Green Tree Project. We'll be right back. Enjoy some drone footage while you wait. What's up, YouTube? Hope you enjoyed that drone footage. Well, let's get right into it. We were tagged in a Love for Love video by the Green Dream Project. Now, I don't know if you've ever been over to their channel, but you know, Jim and Jessica, they've got a homestead just north of us, maybe about 10 miles or so. And they're doing all kinds of homestead projects over there, building adobe sheds and solar, and well, I'll just let you watch it. I'll put a link down in the description box to their site. Also, since he twofered us, by the way, I'm Warren from the Arizona Homestead Project.
And I'm Jill from the Homestead Experience.
Jill's Homestead Experience.
Yeah, that.
And the Arizona Homestead Project.
Yes.
But he tagged us in a twofer, so both of us, you'll see this video on both of our channels. I'll put a link in the description box to her channel as well. But Jim's also doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. He's got some really cool prizes. I'm not going to tell you what they are. We just go ahead and let you, the link will be to that 1,000 subscriber giveaway, but there's some really cool stuff. And he'll explain all that to you in details.
We're supposed to be tagging our favorite channels that we like to watch and everything, and I like watching, I hope I don't mess this up, a little bit of dirt won't hurt, and he's amazing. He's comical, but he works on his homestead, and I just watched a video of his and how to get free mulch and how mulch helps with everything, the weeding, you know, weeds and everything else, even making a pathway through the snow. I think he lives in Canada, where he gets lots of snow.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
The other day I was watching a video of him digging post holes before everything froze up there. So that's it. A little bit of dirt won't hurt. You've been tagged. Next is DesertHorizons. Now, as a gentleman, he's out there in kind of south-central, southeastern Arizona as well. I will not disclose your location. But he's a retiree who has been out there for probably about 7 months now.
I think so.
He's just done he just did a 6-month video the other day. But anyway, he does a lot of budget-minded how-to videos, you know, the way he does it. And he's also got a 2,000 subscriber gold giveaway. So when I put the link to his channel in the description box, I'll also link it to that video where he's got the 2,000 gold and silver giveaway. Some really cool prizes there as well. But DesertHorizons, you've been tagged as well.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. I'd like to give a couple honorable mentions or shout outs. They've already been tagged, but I'll also leave these people in the description box. But we've got Midlife Prices. They're just starting out there up in by Benson area, Arizona. You're getting in on the ground floor, following them from start to hopefully finish. And so Pam and Brian, congratulations, you made it to the honorable mention. Who do you want to honorably mention?
Justin Rhodes, I guess.
Justin Rhodes.
There's so many of them. Justin Rhodes helped me understand what really homesteading was, and he just watching his family work on his farm that he has in North Carolina. Plus they did a world tour.
No.
No?
It's the Great American Farm Tour.
Oh, that. And he just, like I said, I'm from a city. I've lived in a city until basically I met Warren, and
Poor thing.
I know, right? And I really didn't know what homesteading really was until until I started watching his channel, and he made it simple and just basically live off your land, grow your own chickens, your own food, your gardening, and everything. He just makes it very easy.
Well, that's it. Justin Rhodes, congratulations. You made it on the honorable mention. Well, we appreciate you joining us. We're trying to keep it short and sweet because every time I sit down and talk, it seems to be about an hour-long video, doesn't it?
Yep.
And you too. Well, anyway, YouTube, thanks for watching, and we'll see you all soon.
Bye now.